Ready to cook, that's a high demand also. So here you have two different approach for cooking with a normal oven. The one on the left is tuna with some herbs and garlic butter inside of aluminium tray, and inside the tray is put inside on another tray with gas flushing and a top film. This one is a PET tray, PET-C, which goes also to normal oven, resists to 220 grades, and that's the same preparation with garlic and with herb. And when I ask to these people why they use that, they say because a lot of people are not aware that plastic can go to normal oven, or some plastic can go to normal oven. And for the convenience of our customer, to be sure that they can do it, we prefer to do it like that. So, listen the demand of your consumer. Fresh ready to cook also, that's a microwavable with a steam valve, that's a new product. You put raw ingredient inside, fish, rice, tomatoes, things like that, and you put it in the microwave, and by cooking you have a steam, which is product inside of the product, making the product cooked. And when you have a high pressure, more than 1.5 bar inside of the tray, the valve opens and the steam goes out, and your product is cooked. So it's like a steam cooker for rice or for product, but individual and with MAP, long shelf life, and ready to use product. Another solution of microwavable with steam, but with a cryovac system. So the principle is the same. You have the product here, which could be raw or pre-cooked, and you have the film skin on it. You put it in the microwave. The steam makes a bubble from the top film, and when the pressure inside of the packaging reaches 1.5 millibar, naturally the film opens by itself where it is sealed. So that's another way to present the solution. But shows that there is a real demand, and here you have some presentation of this dark fresh package with a very attractive product, pre-cooked, and then you will cook finally with the microwave. Of course, there is still a place for raw product, but more they are attractive, more you have chance to sell it. You see here some tuna steaks with vacuum. And one real demand is sustainable product and bio product. More and more organic products are more and more demanded. And in France, by example, the demand increased last year from 30%, 3-0. And the distributor says that we cannot find enough product to answer to the demand of your consumer. So think about organic and think about sustainable. Culinary complements, that's also something which appears this last year in the supermarket. So here you have some dice, smoked salmon dice, swordfish dice, tuna dice that be used in salad, or you can use it in pasta. So some very practicing, and the big advantage, of course, it's done with the rest of the sliced salmon or the sliced swordfish. So good valorization of a product that nobody was really able to sell before to a high price, and then you up your price and make a high profitability on this innovation. Shrimps, one more time, in different aspects. Snacking, easy to eat, for aperitif, the price of the product, generally the consumer do not really care. Some other tapas with oil marinated, some sandwich, more and more sandwich with fish now. There was a tuna sandwich was really the traditional sandwich that you find everywhere, but now you find a lot of tuna sandwich with other fish, and other composition inside. So that's also a trend to develop the fish business in some snacking ideas. And here just to see, to show you how sophisticated can be a packaging in this area, and to show that the price is not the main aspect. You will see that after in can, so that's something really surprising. So innovation marketing in canned product, because that's also a way to sell the product, and we see before that you have an increase in this business, so it could be interesting to see how we can be different on this market. So you can use a flexible foil package to replace the box, the metal box. And in this case you have an easy implementation, of course. Its arrangement is more better than round can because it's flat, so you can easily put on the shell. You have a shorter time schedule of pasteurization, which is very important. You reduce the time of pasteurization due to the fact that the thickness of the product is not so big that the metal tray. And by this way you have, of course, a better product. You have an easier storage, better surface area to make your marketing and your advertising, lower cost of logistic and transportation, which is not negligible actually with the carbon footprint. And same shelf life as a traditional can, that's more than 18 months. Some example, here you have on a dye pack or on a roll stock machine, vertical machine. And chicken of the sea, we will see the one after, will make absolutely beautiful product with a very high brand and a very nice communication of the product, very nice printed product. And of course, we have to say that it's better than, it looks better than a normal round can with a label around it. Yeah? The other possibility to go out from metal, you can go to polypropylene, and then you can pasteurize the same way. You have nice presentation, quite the same advantage than the one before, and a big advantage, of course, that you have a microwavable product because of the plastic, no metal, so you can put it in the microwave and eat it, reheat. Here you have an example of a snacking idea from tuna cups in polypropylene from, one more time, chicken of the sea. And here you have a difference between a metal box, the new metal box aspect, and this polypropylene trays that are used more and more for ready meals. Here a very sophisticated pack also. That's a snacking for children or for people at 4 o'clock or in the morning when you have a little heat. And that's a tuna cup with 20 grams or 25 grams of pate. You have two cake or biscuit and a small spoon. The whole inside of a rigid pack. Very nice. And this pack has an unbelievable success in the USA. Unbelievable success. And the price, there's more price in packaging than in product, you see. So, let's speak about innovation in frozen product also. Who wants really to buy this? That's a real question. And that's generally what you find in supermarket, in the big bag where you have to dive in to find some product, if you find something, and then you have to move it as long as possible to try to make the product visible and to see, finally it's a shrimp or a lobster. And frankly speaking, when you think about the price of the lobster per unit, you're still asking why they're putting it like that. They don't want to sell it or what. So, next.